How to transfer money from Tesco Bank. To transfer money from Tesco Bank, you have to follow these steps. Open the Tesco Bank mobile app on your phone. Log in securely using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. From the home screen, select the Tesco Bank account you want to transfer money. Tap on the Payments and Transfers option. Choose Make a Payment if it's to an existing payee, or New Payee if it's your first time sending money. If adding a new payee, enter the recipient's name, sort code, and account number. Confirm the name matches before continuing. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Select the payment date, either Pay Now or Schedule for later. Review the payment details carefully: amount, payee, date. Confirm and authenticate with your app's security. Your money will be sent instantly or on the scheduled date. Thanks for watching.